Hi guys, welcome to your 27th tutorial XHTML, and in this one I want to look at fixed position. Basically we want to put something in here that when we scroll through it, it doesn't move. It could be a link to something else, it could be a product you're selling, but you want that to stay there so people can still see it. If you need to hit that link to take you somewhere, it's in front of them. They're not losing it off the screen, okay? So what I've done here, I just put a load of jargon and a load of headers in here, just something so I can scroll down to. And I've given this one a class, okay? So if we go down here and go dot design, and if I could put in say a border, I'll go for one pick solid alphabet. I want you to see this. Okay? And then we give it a position. I put it as fixed. Okay, so as far as I can say, this is not going to move when I do this. Okay, we're going to give it a top. So I'm just going to put it in a certain place. Say top of say 50 pixels. And a left into the left, and I'm going to give this again 50 pixels, okay? So if I save this, alright, and I run this in Firefox. Now I know Chrome is better, but as I said, I just like to use Firefox because it's my default browser. So what's the point in me just putting up another one? So let's see now, how long is it going to take to run, which is going to take all day on me. Guys are going to be quick. Yeah, well, it's not too bad. Okay, here we go. I know I should have changed this color. Maybe, hold on. Maybe just let me put them as, let me just put the H trees in as something else. That's just hard to see. It's just too hard. Put them in as green. Make sure I look at it a bit here. Okay. So if I go back in here, and if I refresh this, right, so there we go. Hold on, we can change that. Let's see. I can get this color dash blue. Otherwise we'll have it looking properly, you know. I don't want it to look all clumsy on this system. You'll have a clue what you're looking at here. Okay, so here we go. There's our page, okay? You see this one here? This one inside a class? Well, that's fixed as far as I'm concerned. This other one's just another jargon to show you. So if I scroll through this page, look at that. So don't move. It stays there because it's a fixed position. Okay? So basically you can use that for anything. If you want to put a link in, you want something to highlight, you want somebody to say, yeah, I don't want you to leave this page, I want you to hit this link and take you to this, and this is going to show you this and that. Well, that's how you do it. Alright, thanks for joining me guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.